Hello all, welcome to Limitless Learning Series Part 43. So today we have with us Saili ma'am. Hello ma'am.
Hello.
So ma'am, the question for today is, how do we teach a child to become, to share and take turns?
So, at preschool age, sharing toys, taking turns, that means to understand and to let them know that others also have feelings.
Okay.
So, the kindness, gentleness, sharing toys, all these things comes with that. So, there are 5 wonderful ways to do that, I'll tell you. First is that use group games.
Okay.
So when parents are teaching them group games, so that time what happens? For example, snake and ladder.
Mm-hmm.
So we ask, okay, this is my turn to roll a dice. Now it is your turn.
Okay.
Let's see who reaches to the top first.
Mm-hmm.
So this is how you can teach child with group games.
Okay.
So you can use Simon Says. Then different games are there where some rules we can create and we can tell them that okay, this is now your turn. So with that you can teach them. Taking turns can be helpful. Second is that whenever they share toy, that time always praise them. So encourage them. So, oh wow, you shared that toy with Arya. I can see smile on her face. You made her smile today. This kind of praise, simple techniques like that helps them. So at this age, these small steps that helps them to get encouraged.
Okay.
So this kind of encouragement is very, very important. Third is that I would say read a book.
Mm-hmm.
Read a book about sharing and caring.
Okay.
So there are wonderful books like Sharing Time by Elizabeth Verdick. Then there is The Rainbow Fish by Marcus Fisher. So these simple books, if you read them and if you talk to them regarding it, then it helps. Then fourth is that play pretend games. So if it is tea party or something else, let's dress up a doll. And we have, when we were small, we used to play with kitchen sets and all. So these are all something. When you play pretend games, that time also you are sharing, okay, I have cooked food, now I am going to share it with you. So all these games also, they help a lot. So then use timer also to teach them some discipline.
Okay.
Where okay, now we have this 3 seconds or 1, 2, 3. And now this is my turn. 1, 2, 3. Now it is your turn. So you can have turns with, now on the slide if you go, then okay, you have taken 2 times turn, now this is my turn.
Okay.
So you can use that also with the child. So I would suggest that 5 simple things. Be patient. We always model your behavior will show. Give extra points when you try to teach them. Then acknowledge feelings. Then you can have sharing space where I'm going to sit here or I'm going to be there on the slide, then you are going to be there. So these kind of simple tricks can help your child to do well.
Yes. I hope parents, you understood the importance and the techniques of how a child can start taking turns. I hope you like this video. Do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.
Thank you.